Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Depop. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in depop.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Depop website. Now within the homepage, you will see the sign up as well as login button. Click on the sign up button in order to create your new account. You will now have the option to continue with your Google or Apple account for a shortcut, or you can also continue with your email address. You will now be asked to enter your first and your last name. Go ahead and type it in and then type in your preferred email address. You can then enter your username that you want to set up for your account. And now type in the password that you wish to use in order to secure your account. You can then choose your country and click on the next button, and you will be asked to check your inbox in order to find the verification code. So check the inbox of the email address that you used while signing up, and you will find a link within or a verification code that you can enter within the box, or simply click on the link in order to finalize your sign up. And now your account is signed up and all ready to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Depop. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.